In this video, I'm going to show you where do you find your Instagram ad activity. So this is the place where you can check your ad history. That means the ads that you have clicked and things like that, in case you want to find back those ads. Now before I continue, if you're new to this channel, do subscribe to this channel so that you can get more social media tips like this. Without further ado, let's jump straight into my phone and let me show you where you can find all your Instagram ads activity. Let's go. First of all, open up your Instagram app, click on the bottom right, which is your picture, and then you go to your profile, go to top right, click on the three lines on top, the menu or the burger icon, and then you can go to account center. So this is the place where you can see all the ads that is linked to this account, not only your Instagram but also your Facebook. Okay, so now let's go to ad preferences. So you open out the ad preferences. So for this, you can see the ad activity, the ads you saved. So I saved some of the ads in Facebook and it appears here as well. So you can click see all to see all the advertisers you saw ads from. The ad topic, you can even change it here as well. What kind of topics that you want to see less of. Alright, so you just scroll down and then you can see ad activity, click see all. So these are all the ads that I've seen. Okay, you can click all account or you can just specifically on my Instagram. Alright, and then you can see here. So you can just click on any one, for example like this one. Then you can see the details of the ad. You hide ads. You can even go to the details of the page and things like that. Alright. So yeah, so that's how you can go to Instagram ad activity. From this place also is where you can see all the ads across all the accounts. So if you want to find the ad, this is the place where you go. I hope this is helpful. If you like what I share, do give me a like and subscribe to this channel so that you can get more tips like this. Thank you so much for watching and I see you next time. Goodbye.